The support of the EFF members for Julius Malema for his pre-sentencing ezobe ilapha East London, it's enormous, profuse, overwhelming. It is so beautiful. Here's my 2 cents about this thing. Do you think, guys, Julius Malema will be sentenced for that case layer for discharge of Sethunya? I don't think so. If ever that judge, she loves South Africa and she doesn't want to see South Africa burning, how many people have got away with ama cases afana nemed? I do not want to mention ama corruption. And then Julius Malema, they want to persecute him for just only a discharge of Sethunya. I don't think with this guy he's going down. Let me know in the comment section what do you think. Do you think Julius Malema should take the sizes of the orange overall now, or you don't see him in those orange overalls? Let's talk in the comment section.